Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade gel blaster gun, only way. Begin by preparing a clean workspace and organizing components: barrel, hopper, gel beads, air nozzle, pump, and fasteners. Inspect each part for cracks or defects and ensure compatibility of fittings and seal sizes. Test connections with low pressure first and correct leaks promptly. Follow stepwise assembly to maintain safe operation and predictable performance during testing and use. Gather parts and tools with care, focusing on compatibility and durability to ensure a reliable build and safe testing experience. You will need a barrel, hopper, elastic seals, air nozzle, tubing, pump, screws, clamps, sandpaper, and basic tools like a drill and screwdriver. Clean and dry all components before assembly to prevent bead contamination and blockages. Label parts and follow step-by-step assembly to reduce mistakes and ensure consistent performance. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical builds and tips. It really helps. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, a handy companion during long build sessions and bench work that keeps you focused. I've linked the product and other useful deals in the description, so check there for details and savings. Now let's get back to the video. Start assembly by dry fitting components to verify alignment and spacing, then permanently attach parts once satisfied. Sand mating surfaces lightly to remove burrs, then use O-rings and silicone grease for airtight seals at joints. Secure the hopper and barrel with clamps or brackets to prevent shifting under use. Route tubing to avoid kinks and reinforce with clamps at both ends. Perform a controlled low-pressure test to check feed and seal integrity before full operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.